Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable or disable picture-in-picture mode in Opera GX browser so you can control how videos play while you multitask. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Opera GX on your computer and click the settings gear icon on the left sidebar, or simply press Alt+P on your keyboard. This shortcut quickly opens the browser's settings page where all customization options are available. It saves time and takes you directly to the control panel. Step 2. Once you are on the settings page, go to the search box located at the top right corner. Type "pop out" into the search bar to quickly find the exact feature. This helps you avoid scrolling through many different settings. Step 3. Look for the section labeled Video pop out in the search results. This is the feature that allows videos to appear in a small floating window on your screen. It is useful when you want to watch videos while browsing other tabs. Step 4. To enable the feature, switch the toggle next to Enable Video Pop Out to On, which will turn blue. Turning it on allows videos to pop out into a floating window whenever supported. This makes multitasking much easier and more convenient. Step 5. To disable the feature, switch the same toggle to Off, which will turn grey. Disabling it removes the pop-out option while playing videos. This is helpful if you prefer videos to stay within the browser tab. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech tutorials.